Your iteration statement will tell your loop what to do with the iterator after each run. When you reassign a variable, you can use the variable to reference the previous value before the reassignment. This allows you to do things like add 3 to an existing number. For example, b's is assigned to the result of b's itself added by 3. So for example, oh wait, for example, b's, yeah, b's variable assigned to the result of b's variable itself added by 3 would increase the value of b's by 3. Wow, that would, yeah. Use that syntax to replace your iteration string with a reassignment statement that increases I by 1. So I'll get back to you later. So anyways, in our case, we have a variable I. So, oops. So we have a variable I. Let's take the current value of I and add it by 1, as it says, by 1. And let's reassign this result to the variable itself. What? So, for example, we already have a value of 0. Okay. Variable of 0, correct? So, um here. So we have assigned to the result of the addition of I added by 1. So let's get this one 0 here because it's I added by 1. So 0 plus 1, that would be 1. And then this one, this one, that's so cringe. Anyways, this number 1 would then be assigned to the variable I, which has the value of 0. So this would not be I, so this would no more longer, what? So this would no longer have the value of 0, but rather have the value of 1. Yes, so let's check if it's correct. Ooh, what happened? Your for loop should increase I by 1 on each iteration. I just did. Oh, we forget about the semicolon. Or is it? Okay, what did we do? Your for loop should increase I by 1 on each iteration. I just did. I. Hmm? Your for loop. What? Hmm. I did by 1. Does it mean we forgot the semicolon? No. What happened here? Help? No, I don't need help. Don't tell me. It's like this. Okay, it says you should assign I plus 1 back to your I variable. Look, man, I just did that earlier. Don't tell me. Huh? Your for loop should increase I by 1 on each iteration. Oh, yes. It's because I've changed this from 0 to 1. Oh my gosh, bro. Anyways, that would be it. Nice.